Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error code 802444019, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The resolution has been confirmed by 412 users. I mean, obviously it helped hundreds of thousands of users. 412 actually made an account, logged in and confirmed that it helped them. So it has helped a lot of users. Now the solution is as follows: search for performance in the Windows search bar. Okay. And then click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to data execution prevention. Check the radio button at the first radio box, which is turn on DEP for essential Windows programs and services only, not the second one. Click on apply. Click on OK. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and restart your computer. When you restart your computer, it will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.